Okay guys, we got a 2019 Hyundai Tucson, sorry. I'm going to show you how to replace the washer reservoir pump. So I already got it all taken apart, but I figured I'd toss together a video for you. So on the passenger side here, you don't really need to take the tire off, but you can just scoot it off to the side for you. And then all these little clips for this fender well pop right off. And then we got a 10mm bolt right here on the side, if that blends out a little bit there. And then it just clips onto this little knob here, holds it in place. And then up top, we've got another 10mm bolt right there. Kind of hard to get to, but just get a 10mm with a long extension on it. You can get to it. So then it just slides right out. And then I already took off the pump here. This is what we're replacing. Just got our two lines, clip on top. This actually sits in front right up here. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and take these off. We're also going to replace the grommet on it as well. And I'll show you the part number we got here. So it's a 5-985. So let's go ahead and get that swapped out. Okay guys, so I swapped out those two lines there. This is our old one here. It was leaking actually right out the bottom. Kind of came apart inside. But we're gonna go ahead and pop this old grommet out. This one's also a little split and dried up. And it comes with a new one. So we'll just slide that one in there. And then we're ready to put it all back together. So I hope this helps you guys. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always guys, enjoy.